Hello and welcome to another one of my product review and unboxing videos. Now, I've bought a few of these outdoor sockets in the past. You can get them in single and double configuration. I've never done a review on it. They've always been really good quality and lasted, no issues with them, but this time I thought I'd do a quick sort of video review on it. Basically, if you're thinking about buying one of these, you're wondering what the quality's like on them, then hopefully this video helps you out. So this is available from Screwfix and other places, I'm sure. This was £10. They were a little bit more earlier in the year. So this one is made by British General. It's a double switch 13 amp double socket, so it's standard UK plug, has independently switched sockets and has a neon LED indicator, so you know the power's to it in case the breaker trips, etc. So it's got a waterproof cover. So these are the main features of it are it's weatherproof and it's storm resistant. It's got an IP rating of 66 or ingress protection rating of 66. That is quite high, and it's ideal for garden, workshops, commercial applications. And according to this, it's suitable with jet washers, mowers, and trimmers, and water features. So you know if you're plugging your outside equipment into it, you won't have a problem providing the underlying electrics to it are good, which I'm sure they would be. It can take 13 amps per socket. There's a power light. Just more of the same on the back, and then there's a bit more information on the back. Ergonomic front lid, switched. It has multiple gland entry points, and it has 4 fixing points, including even a gland at the back. You will need the gland entry things for it though. And it just says 3,121 watts max, etc. Made in the UK, Telford, England. It's always nice to support UK companies. The sides do have sellotape on them, but I've just removed it just to make the video easier because I'm filming it with one hand. So if you are thinking about buying one of these and just wondering what is the quality like, then this video should give you a rough idea. So it comes in this nice box. Try and get this out of this nice box. So that's the empty box. You've got a wiring instructions. You or an electrician can do this, but you have to be competent. And if you do install it, you have to be competent, get it signed off, etc. It's, you know, it's basic electrics, but obviously you've got to be safe. But most people could do that. So let's look at the front. So it comes unscrewed at the moment to allow for easy installations. This is the front, and you've got like a standard sort of socket inside you'd find in a house. It's not metal clad or anything, and it's switched. It's got 2 screws either side, and if you needed to replace it, because you could undo them and replace the whole unit. Just so the front is like you can see my fingers through it, translucent. It does feature a padlock hole there. It doesn't say that on the box, but it does. And all around the edge is like a really high quality rubber. It's quite nice feeling rubber. And this front lid here clamps down, and then you push those onto it like that, and you've got 2 of them. So if you imagine how tightly sealed that is, it's not going to be a problem if it rains, etc. And the back, standard socket really good quality. Got your live, neutral, and your earth. It's all colour coded. Yeah, that's pretty much it with that. Can't get that off at the moment. And then the main back box includes 4 screws. I'll just try and get it off actually now. Wait a minute. What's going on here? There we go. So it's tight because it's brand new. That's all it is, and it's not on anything. Now, hang on a minute. Sorry about that. So that is a fairly tight fit, and I couldn't get that off with one hand without putting the camera down. So it does seal it really well. So you've got your 4 screw points here that go into this back box, and you've obviously got 4 decent screws. You can use a flathead or a Phillips on it, and they basically don't have a thread all the way up. I've installed quite a few of these things. They just you have to like stuff them through and then thread them up, and then you've got little grey covers for the screws, just for aesthetics really. And you've got these little rubber things here, rubber grommets which go on the inside, so when you screw, And that's really it, really. So the back box has got an earthing point. You'd obviously come onto this, then run a tail to the socket, however you want to do it. It's up to you or the electrician. 130mm across, so that's quite important. So between the screw holes, so you can just measure, and then 55 vertically. Loads of gland entry points. 1, 2, 3, 3 there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and there's a big one on the back, like I said earlier. So that's, so you've got plenty of options. You'd probably come in the back though, to be honest, and then run maybe a bit of sealant round. So I hope in this video review is of some help. I know it's not wide up or anything, but if you are thinking about buying one of these and you just wondered what it's like, then that's what you can expect, and that's what it looks like. It pushes on there a bit better than that, but it's quite smart. Suit any garden or commercial process. Thanks for watching.